Making dry points with an acrylic plate. We have a piece of acrylic or plexiglass cut down to size, and it's just the normal thickness you can get at any hardware store. Now, the first thing we have to do is file down these edges so it will go through the press. Take a normal file, hold the plexiglass down, and at a 45-degree angle, you just push. A lot of times it's easier to do with the protective film removed. You're going to have to do this all the way around on all four sides. Okay, now I need to do more than this, but just for the sake of speeding up the video. You need to do this on all four sides, and you need to do it until the edge of the plexiglass is no longer square. You're kind of cutting off these edges so that it'll fit underneath the roller of the press. Okay? Again, do that to all four sides. And then when you're done, what you can do is turn it over, take your artwork, and tape it to the back. Be a little more careful than what I'm doing. I'm moving fast just for the sake of the demonstration. Okay. Now we have the artwork on the back that we can see through. And we take our stylus, our etching needle. Well, yeah, you can use a sharpened etching needle, but you can use a Drypoint needle. This one has a nice carbide tip. And all you're doing is scratching lines. And any of the scratches you make are going to show up as lines in the print. I want this line to be darker, so I'm going to scratch it deeper. The deeper the line, the more ink it holds. The more ink it holds, the darker it's going to be. Now I go all the way around and work this as much as I feel necessary to get the image I want. But I can also take a print right away on the etching press and you get what we call the first state. So these are the first scratches I made. I needed to do a lot more work on this, obviously, so I cleaned the plate off and went back into it with the needle. Test it again, and you get the second state. I need to do more work on that, so I clean the plate off again and do the third state. And you keep going until you found until you make a satisfactory picture. Now, the first state and the second state were all done with the needle. The third state, I used sandpaper. Just small pieces of sandpaper. That create a sort of fake and aqua tint. And this is what grit is this? This sandpaper, this is 100. So as I make scratches with the sandpaper, all those scratches are going to hold ink. Now the deep scratches on the rough grit sandpaper, they're going to make nice lines. And those will hold a lot of ink and will be really dark. The fine sandpaper will make a nice light gray effect, but that's only going to last for a few prints. Okay, now let's move on and show you how to print one of these.